So this is question number 1.2 of class 11th unit and measurement. Let's solve the question part A. 1 kg meter square second minus 2 is equal to gram centimeter square second minus 2. In this you have to convert it, right? So for this conversion, what you have to keep in mind? For this conversion, first of all, write this kg as 1 kg in bracket. For meter, you have to write 1 meter square in bracket that I have written. And for second, you have to write 1 second and minus 2 as a bracket. Similarly, you have to do, and then you have to do the operation. Do the operation means 10 to the, you have to write the numerical value separate and the unit separate by doing the operation. Like यहाँ पर you have to do 10 to the power 2, and then 2 means it is going to 10 to the power 4, and then centimeter square, right? And then you have to write it separately. So this way you can write, and this way the numerical value and the unit value separately you have to write, and you have to you will get the solution, right? So this is the basic method you have to apply for converting it. And the second thing is also same. You have to know that what is the light year is equal to 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the minus 15 meter, 10 to the power 15 meter, right? And you have to do the same unitary method, and you will going to get 10 to the minus 6 light year. So it is very simple. You have to do the same thing again and again. You have to convert it into this kilometer per hour square, right? So you have to just write it in 1 meter, then 1 second, and you have to put the value of 1 meter, then the value of 1 second in hour, and you have to separate that quantity and unit, right? Same thing you have to do again and again. And here you have to write the gravitational thing, gravitational constant, that is Newton. The value of Newton is kg meter by second square, and then you have to write again the same. You have to 1 meter 1 kg, and then you have to cut out all the units that they are going to separate, or you can cancel out, and just you have to write all these things. Then you have to separate that unit and that physical quantity, the numerical quantity, and the unit you have to separate out, and you have to write it this way. So this is the same thing you can do again and again, and you will get the answer.